All right. If you're here, then you heard about the live webinar that Jen Springer and I are doing to help you understand the dynamics of the biggest challenges and ways to overcome those challenges to crush your Young Living business. Like as an example, the big topic of the day is Young Living too saturated in many towns throughout America and Canada, around the world, to even get duplication going? Is the time not there anymore? We're gonna talk about that and break it down into detail. Here's the big question of the day. Should I lead with the business? Should I lead with the product? How much percentage should I lead with the product or the business? We're going to address that in this webinar. And also, what is the next hot trend to jump on with Young Living? Should you brand yourself on Facebook, Instagram? How should you attract leads? And oh, here's a good one. What should you focus on in growing your team? How do you motivate? Can you even motivate your team? And what are the things you want to focus the most important things for your time and your energy throughout the day, so you're not spinning, working every day, not getting results, but you feel like you're worn out? If you feel at all like that or anything that I just talked about, share this with people that you care about in Young Living. This is a webinar that you want everybody in your team to listen to. This will help demystify, debunk, help you get rid of some of those sabotage thinking. Again, like is Young Living saturated? This is the webinar to share with everybody that you care about, okay? So go and register here below. There's a few times that we have set up for you to be able to watch this powerful webinar with Jen Springer and myself, Tom Challen. All right, we'll see you on the webinar. God bless you. Make sure you show up a couple minutes early and take a lot of notes. All right, God bless. We'll see you on soon.